Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.00. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 38.11% since we initially designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.01% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $5.39 be breached, it would first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning signal for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of 106.35% over the next 3 months, with a likely return ranging from 95.29% to 281.32%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 45.16%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 36.49% and positive 152% over the forthcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.61 and $14.34. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings features the headline, Significant Movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating 13.11% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, the BigBear.ai Holdings stock price increased by 1.61%, rising from $5.60 to $5.69. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 13.11%, with a low of $5.53 and a high of $6.26. The stock has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 28.88% during this period. The trading volume fell by 3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $220,470,000. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands 45.02%, or $4.66, below the 52-week high, and 64.70%, or $10.43, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 6th of April 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai is currently facing a challenging market environment, which is evident from its significant stock price decline, recently dropping by nearly 25% over 5 trading days. Despite this volatility, the company has announced a crucial development. Its Conductor OS will be deployed at Exercise Talisman Sabre 2025 in collaboration with AUKUS nations. This deployment highlights BigBear.ai's continued engagement in defense technology, supported by the United States government's Office of the Undersecretary of Defense. Such contracts can bolster investor confidence in the short term, potentially reversing some of the recent losses as demand for artificial intelligence-powered solutions in national security grows. However, the upcoming earnings report scheduled for March 6th is pivotal, as it will provide insights into the company's financial health and outlook. Investors will be closely monitoring how BigBear.ai navigates this volatile landscape and whether it can leverage its defense contracts to enhance revenue stability. In conclusion, While current performance may reflect short-term challenges, strategic partnerships and upcoming financial disclosures could play a crucial role in shaping investor sentiment and influencing stock price recovery in the longer term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, H.C. Wainwright once again assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and so far, it has fallen by 41.82%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also been noted, which may influence short-term developments. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock carries a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, which offers a positive forecast overall. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.83. Conversely, if it falls, support will be found from the long-term average at about $5.54. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite a rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 92 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 100 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 115 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.91 and $4.81. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, BigBear.ai Holdings has support just below today's level at $4.91. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.81 and $4.45. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 72.5 cents between its high and low, amounting to a change of 13.11%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 15.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a persistent negative PE ratio may signal ongoing profitability issues and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on March 6, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 5 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $5.94. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $4.91. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Carolyn Blankenship conducted an insider sale of 66,153 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Paul E. Fulcino conducted an insider purchase of 11,338 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Pamela Joyce Brayton conducted an insider purchase of 21,542 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Peter Anthony Canito Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 25,850 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC conducted an insider purchase of 43,878 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 87.466. Overall, insiders have purchased 5,314,143 shares and sold 96,765,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.37, reflecting a decrease of 5.66%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 8 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are currently negative, which we believe will influence the stock's performance over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we also think that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, with expectations that it will rise during or by the conclusion of the 3-month period. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of February, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by 13.5 cents, starting at $5.83. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.